Welcome to this tutorial on connecting your Microsoft Calendar to ZenInbox. Follow these steps to easily integrate your calendar and streamline your scheduling. Access the Calendar section. Begin by navigating to the Calendar section in the sidebar. Click the plus icon, located to the right of the Create Event button, to seamlessly integrate your calendar. Select Microsoft Calendar. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to select a calendar provider. Click on Outlook to choose Microsoft Calendar as your provider. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Once the connection is successful, you'll see a confirmation message stating that your Microsoft Calendar has been added successfully. Your connected calendar will now appear in the Calendar section of ZenInbox. Manage your calendar. With your Microsoft Calendar connected, you can now view and manage all your calendar events. Check availability for team members. Create, edit, or delete events directly from ZenInbox. ZenInbox makes managing your Microsoft Calendar simple and efficient, helping you stay on top of your schedule with ease. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Enjoy the convenience of managing your calendar within ZenInbox.